Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture. That can be anything that you want. And once it's open and visible, simply press the power key and volume down and hold those both keys at the same time. You'll have a sound along with this animation right here. So this is for the first use, and later on you won't see this kind of instructions what to do. But as you've seen, we have a slide up to share and slide down for scrollable. Now I'm gonna try to find something that I can actually scroll down on. See if I flip this upright. Nope, that still doesn't show me. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, I can now scroll up and down. So going back to the scrollable option, if you capture a screenshot, let's try it again. There we go. You can now slide it down and it will start scrolling it. Now it does this in like chunks, as you can see, and then stops. So if you want to stop somewhere earlier, what I advise you to do is overshoot it by a long while and then just kind of crop it to whatever point you want. And select save up here, and this will save that long screenshot. Now all the screenshots that I have captured can be found in your gallery application, as you can see in here. So there is the long version of it. Only was taking like this entire screen, as you can see. So yeah, and then we have the even longer version. So this is the not cropped one, as you can see. There's more options below. And then there is just a typical standard screenshot without any kind of scroll to it. So anyway, that is how you'd capture screenshots. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.